Om. 32nd Sutra of the Kaivalya Pada. Tatah kritarthanam parinamakrama samaptir gunanam. Tatah kritarthanam parinamakrama samaptir gunanam. Tatah kritarthanam parinama krama samapti gunanam. Tataha kritarthaha parinama krama samaptihi gunaha. What a wonderful sutra it is. Tataha, from that. From that means continuation from the previous sutra. From that, tataha kritarthaha, krita arthaha, kritarthanam, kritha arthanam. Krita is accomplished, artha purpose, being the purpose accomplished. The goal is reached. The mission is achieved. What is to be done is done. What is to be achieved is achieved. The purpose is fulfilled. Kritarthanam. Parinama. Transformations, changes. Krama. Sequence. Parinama krama. Sequence of changes. Sequence of transformations. Parinama krama. Even the process of changes, process of transformations. Samaptihi, comes to an end, gets terminated. Trigunas, gunaha. Even of the gunas. Even of the gunas. Parinama krama of the gunas comes to an end. So from that ananta jnana, as told in the earlier, tada, that means from the earlier tataha, from that jnana anantaha, ananta jnanaha, what happens? Termination of the process of transformations of gunas, and the purpose has been accomplished. That is the meaning of this particular sutra. Tataha, from the ananta jnana, as told in the 31st sutra, kritarthanam, purpose is achieved. And what is the purpose? It is the end, termination of the parinama krama of the gunas. Parinama guna samaptihi is the purpose. Parinama krama of the gunas. The transformation and the changes of the gunas that gets stopped, terminated. So the various combinations, various pressures, forces of the gunas comes to an end. Guna parinama krama samaptihi, and that is the purpose, that is the kritarthaha. So with this limitless knowledge, prasamkhana, as it was told in the 29th sutra of the same 4th chapter, prasamkhanaha, achieved in the dharmamekha samadhi, there is realization of utter alienness, absolute separateness of the Purusha and the Chitta. And as we have seen in the 2nd chapter, the 23rd sutra, Sadhana Pada, this purpose is of the samyogaha, which later triggered the evolution of Prakriti, the process of transformation of the three gunas that gets stopped. Since this purpose behind the process of transformations of the three gunas has been fulfilled, and the samyoga has disappeared, what happens? Guna parinama krama samaptihi. Kritartha also means the purpose of all the sadhanas, the purpose of entire path of yoga. Kritartha also means, symbolizes, signifies the entire purpose of the Yoga Darshana, the entire purpose of the Patanjali Yoga Sutras. And Kritartha means the goal has been reached. So this sutra is the result is the termination of all the processes of transformations of the gunas, and it has accomplished the purpose. So a sadhaka, a yogi, a yoga abhyasi, a yoga sadhaka, the purpose of the yoga is the termination of the guna parinama krama. And guna parinama krama makes a person a kritartha. Both sides. And this is an important dimension which we shall understand wonderfully in this particular sutra. The 32nd sutra has this potency and the importance that from that infinite knowledge, ananta jnanaha, the activities, the transformations, the combinations, the permutations, and the changes of the gunas comes to an end. And there are all these various transformations which change even from species to the species, they cease forever. Trigunatitaha it is. It is Trigunatitaha. No more the gunas trouble him. Nistraigунyaha, as Bhagavad Gita tells. And that highest dimension of the Nistraigунyaha, Trigunatitaha, and Gunarahitya sthiti, where Nirgunatvam, which was described in the various Vedanta texts, comes into the role and importance in this particular sutra. It is Nistraigунyaha, Gunatitaha, Gunarahityaha. And that is the importance of this particular sutra, where a person is free from all qualifications and the qualities. Let us see the next sutra. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.